Just imagine falling from the space. Until the time you reach the Earth's surface, your body has turned into ash. Do you guys know about Yuri Gagarin? I assume you do. But do you guys know about Vladimir Komarov? Maybe not. He was also a Russian cosmonaut and a dear friend of Yuri Gagarin, who died by falling from space. Hey guys, today in this video we are going to talk about a Russian cosmonaut who fell from space due to some catastrophic failures in his rocket. USA had not yet landed on moon, so there was a space race between two nations. It happened on 24th April 1967. Vladimir was in his Soyuz 1 capsule, circling the globe in his second flight and trying to take the mankind footprints one step further. Komarov knew that the spacecraft had major safety problems, but then too he preferred to command the Soyuz 1 because if he had refused, Yuri Gagarin would be his replacement. Vladimir Komarov could not let his friend die instead of him, so he preferred to go for it. The mission was planned as Komarov would orbit the Earth for a day. The next day, another spacecraft will take off. Both the spacecraft will dock with each other, and Komarov would return home in the second spacecraft. But after the Soyuz 1 with Vladimir Komarov on board was in orbit, the problems started to arise. Firstly, the left-sided solar panel did not open, leaving the spaceship's power supply critical. Then, the cosmonaut faced many difficulties navigating in space due to shortage of power supply. But the main disastrous problem he faced was when he was descending towards the Earth after completing his 18th orbit round the globe. His parachute failed to deploy, crushing him on the Earth's surface at more than 200 kilometers per hour. After the Soyuz 1 hit the ground, it was nearly half melted. According to the two eyewitnesses of the crash, the foam fire extinguisher were not enough, so the rescuers shoveled dirt on the spacecraft. As soon as the fire ended and the doctors started to remove the outer metal so that they can check on Komarov, it was too late. Vladimir Komarov's body was melted when taken out of the spacecraft. It would have been such a painful death. He was honored with a state funeral where his charred remains were in an open casket. The US intelligence intercepted Komarov's final words and they describe him crying in rage and also cursing the spacecraft and the authorities who put him in it. Before the takeoff during inspection, the Soyuz 1 had 203 structural problems that would make it dangerous to navigate in space. But no one dared to tell then Soviet leader Leonid Brezhnev about the faults. However, for the fear of being demoted, fired, or sent to diplomatic Siberia, the mission went ahead as planned, resulting in Komarov's death. In remains, only a heel bone was found. All other body parts were turned into ash. Yuri Gagarin never really got over his friend's death and died a year later in a plane accident. Vladimir Komarov was an unsung hero of humanity, and we should never forget that. So this is a wrap on this video. Hope you enjoyed it. If you found the video interesting, then please like, share and subscribe the channel for more such videos.